Hey, what's up, guys? Simon here, and wanted to be able to just give like a short testimony about Sqribble. Okay, something very interesting is that when I first bought this software, I think it was sometime last year, and I never did anything with it because I never like knew its potential. But then somewhere in the process, I was able to like say, this software that I bought, I never did anything with it, and I just started like using it, creating ebooks, and the more I kept doing it, the better it became. Like it became so easy. And just tell you that you see this single software on the package that I'm in right now. I've been able to like sell ebooks. I create ebooks for clients. I give them, and I'm able to be paid. Okay. Sometimes we charge ebooks $50, $100. Okay. So I would say that for anyone who is thinking about how to get started, you're like you don't even have a business. Okay. You can actually like just use ebooks, Sqribble to be able to create a business just out of that. I had an asset, it was there, and I was not doing anything with it. But then I was like, oh, this thing is so huge. Okay. And I started using it. I was able to start creating ebooks for clients, give them away for free. And also my agency has been able to grow so much because also in digital marketing, I've been able to grow so fast because you see Sqribble, I'm able to create professional ebooks. I'm able to like listen to videos. I take those videos, I model the content, give it away to customers for free, and that has been able to grow my list so much. Okay. So I'm just saying this for someone who is out there and you're like, where do you get started? I want to like Sqribble itself can be able to give you a business. You can actually like create ebooks to be able to grow your list, or just create ebooks to be able to run a business just on that and to be so awesome. Okay. So the other thing, guys, you can be able to like take the software, use it to be able to grow a business, or just build a business around that by create ebooks, sell them to your customers. It's so awesome. Personally, I've been able to like make $100 just doing that, but just creating ebooks, selling them, creating ebooks. Maybe I ask someone to be able to write the content for me. After they create the content, I put it in the software, do the formatting, everything, give it to the customer. They're so happy. Their links are embedded right there. So it's been so awesome. So thank you so much for the software, guys, and Sqribble team. I want to thank you so much for what you're doing. Thank you for the value that you're giving us. We're so happy and we're so grateful. Bye for now.